Hello guys, I want you to take a look at this. What if you can earn thousands of dollars per month just by watching YouTube videos and liking them? I mean, is it even possible? How cool is that? Yes, today this is possible. Recently I found a way to get paid while watching and liking videos on YouTube. Absolutely free YouTube videos. And you can take a look at some of the payment proof right here, just in 10 minutes. So if you spend one day, you can earn hundreds of dollars and you can withdraw your money through your PayPal account. It doesn't matter your country: Philippines, Nigeria, USA, Pakistan, Bangladesh, Indonesia, just name it. All you need to do is open a YouTube video and watch to the end and smash the like button and you can get paid. You can do it on your phone or laptop and it's 100% free. If you stick with me to the end, I will give you a bonus method that will make you 3x, 4x and 5x your earning than any other person using this site. So stick around to watch this video to the end. But before we proceed, welcome to Money Talk with Alexi. Subscribe to my channel and leave your notification bell on so that you will be notified when I upload another money making video. Let's get started. Number one, create a YouTube account, a demo account with your profile picture. So you use your account for watching and liking video. Don't use your main account. Number two, go to a site called Rapid Worker. So in this place, you see, this is what you're in for. You do micro tags on this site. YouTube, you said vote for this video, you earn 10 cents. Follow me on Twitter, just to follow somebody on Twitter, 12 cents. Create a Gmail account for me, you earn 13 cents. Insurance form sign up, $1.50. Upload 5 photos to this site, that is 39 cents. So this is it. This is the amount you'll be paid. So this is the kind of job you will definitely do. So a lot of people come to this site to earn money. So this is what you are into. So sign up, as then you select the kind of job you want to do. If you have a blog or a website you want people to follow, a social media you want people to follow you or do something for you, or you have an app you are building and want people to test it out for you, you sign in, you bring your job to this place as an employer. So this is how to get paid on it. You get your payment through PayPal account, bank account, MasterCard, Visa card, and all of that. So please take note of this if you are having issues. So to sign up, just click on this place. You can click on this place or sign up as a new member. So that is that into it. Let's dive into the main thing. I have an account already. I put in my password. I click on I'm not a robot. Just click on I'm not a robot, then submit, and that is how to log in. So let's quickly dive into into my dashboard for you to see how things are. This is how my dashboard looks like. You can see. Okay, so look at it. My transaction history, all of that. So that is not where I'm going today. This is it. Withdrawal. There's tutorial on how to go about it. If you want to really learn on how to go about it, that is the tutorial. If you want to deposit money, that is if you have as a employer, so that is where to go. Your account, that is your account. Your account is here. Your campaign, so the task you give them is be able to track how far it's going. Okay, that's it. So you come to this place. This is the job offer. You can see it. You can see it's because I'm using a mobile app. If not, it would have spread that. This is it. This is the kind of job we have. Okay, you can see. This is it. Look at it. Look at it. Just scroll down. See. Come to this place. This one will take 10 minutes to finish. That is what it means. This one, let me expand it. This is 6/12. That is 12 tasks. 6 persons have done, completed it. We have 6 more to go. That is what it means. So okay, see, very easy download. So just download and make money for this person, from this person. He said download my game and rate it. This is all what you just need to do. Just download the game, rate it. You get, see, in fact, you get $2.50 $2.50, and it take 5 minutes to do. Okay, out of 4 tasks, 1 has been completed, so you can go over. This is what you need to do. So let me quickly teach you how to 3x your earning. Let me give you that bonus. You can see most paying. Come to most paying, or the latest job if you want, but most paying. We want to filter the most paying. Just click on it. You see the most the most paying. Okay, good. See it. Well, you can see it now. You can see $7, $6, $4. So as you go down, the money will be reducing, but these are the high paying jobs. You can see you hardly see those you see down. Then you start seeing, you can see $1. As you go down, you start seeing it that way. So but when you do the most paying, when you filter it using most paying, you see that the highest pay will be on top. So that is not where I'm going today. How to make money watching YouTube, liking YouTube, subscribing to YouTube. Just come to this place, type YouTube here. You press go on your keyboard. Now it has filtered. Look at it. You can see. See. So now you can still come to most paying. You filter using most paying. See, this one says YouTube watch, like, share, and comment. That is what the person wants from us. So it is 6 cents, 10 minutes out of 200. It's 57 I've completed. Look at it. See, it's for just YouTube. See, YouTube watch, like, share, and comment. That is it. See, subscribe. It says subscribe, watch, and share fast. So let me, for the sake of this video, let me go to 97,350. So let's click on it. It's opened. You can see this is what this person wants. It said subscribe, watch, share, fast money. So you will earn $0.003. So this is how you are going to do. All countries accepted. This is it. So go to YouTube. Okay, it says search this keyword to find the video. Scroll till you find it. It can be down about 5-10 pages. Okay, so watch the full video. You can run in the background. Very important. We check it if it is full time. If you skip, you will not get paid. So look at it. So you now say share on any 2 social media. Do not share to WhatsApp. Subscribe to my channel. So require proof that the task was finished. So you come. This is how to go about it. So require proof that task was finished. Screenshot your YouTube watch history page. Screenshot that you find the video by search with provided keyword. Screenshot of share. So that is how you submit and get paid. So look at it. So this is where you submit your screenshot to this place. So what this person is saying, this is it here. So just do exactly what this person wants. So go to YouTube, search this keyword. He has given us the keyword. Find the video. Scroll till you find it. Okay, so this is it. Okay, see it. So this is what this person wants. So we can just copy it into our dashboard and you will see for yourself. Okay, that is that to how to make money on Rapid Worker. I have made I wrote a book about Rapid Worker some times ago. You can look at it in the description. You can check it out at the description down below to get the book. Click on it to get the book. I forget. If you think the payout rate are too little or they are nothing, imagine doing 300 tasks per day, let's say, then you do a task that is, let's say, 0.50 cents. That is $150. So if you can do more than this per day, there is no how that you will not be smiling to the bank. Even though if it is 10 cents, 20 cents, they will all gather up all day to make something great. So you can come to this place and choose. Look, it may not necessarily be watching a video. Download and install Chrome extension, install, sign up, complete this offer, this kind of stuff. So you have a whole lot to choose.
So just make sure you use the most paying to filter to get your task. And another thing is, please don't open multiple accounts. Don't open multiple accounts. You'll be banned. So go through it, go through this and do different. See, follow on TikTok. Just to follow on TikTok, you get paid for that too. So that is that to this site. Thank you.